France, the under-26 nations champions. Wales pushed them hard when they met them in that tournament. Firing it in, but not taken cleanly by Thornton. It was a wobbly throw and it went right through his hands. And now here comes Ituria. France with some good offloading. Kamara inside the 22. Now Fajardo turning it back on the inside to Sanjay. Fighting for it is Benjamin for Wales, but it's there for Saram. Fajardo. Now just the fullback. Referee's playing advantage. Hamdawi, the winger, lost it. The fullback, Just, they'll come back for the penalty.
Number 2 offside.
Well, we've had over 20 minutes in this game, and now here's the first opportunity for points on the board. And it is Baptiste Saran, the halfback, who puts France in front of Wales by 3 points to 0. Boyd again, not really going anywhere. And, well, right on cue. Referee Fanavestes and brings them back for the penalty. Nicely struck. And the scores are level, 3-3 between Wales and France. Ireland have qualified. France can join them if they win this game.
Going around.
He got under it a little, drifting towards the post and over. That's a great kick in very difficult conditions. Angus O'Brien gives Wales a real boost right on half-time. They do win the line out. It's a rare thing in this game. Now the little chip kick through and all the French have let it bounce and Wales have got it. Another kick through, the halfbacks after it. Try is given. I just wonder whether he might have got ahead of the kicker, but the referee is satisfied, and that is a huge moment in the game. Well, there's the siren. This is an outstanding win for Wales. They get a penalty. And what a fitting note to end the game on, because they've won so many of those, but this has been an outstanding effort from Wales to upset, and I think it's fair to say that it's an upset, the Six Nations Under-20 champions. Wales win it. They may well have shut the door on France. They've certainly opened it for Australia and New Zealand. And Wales with that win over France, well, that's curtains for France, it would seem, certainly curtains for Wales, and now it's just a matter of finding out later on whether it's going to be New Zealand or Australia, it would seem, in 4th place.